Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Pepe. All right, I felt like it was very necessary to do an update on Pepe. I think we're at an absolutely crucial resistance level right now. So we'll talk about whether we can break above that, whether it's a good short opportunity potentially, which is a difficult thing to say, but we'll still get into that. But in general, we'll talk about everything I think you need to know about Pepe right now. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. That's what I do. I cover Pepe quite often. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. But for now, let's get right into it. So first of all, we have to talk about the markets, because if you look at Pepe right now, it's been a strong performer. Like if you look at like the top 100 cryptos, meme coins are actually performing relatively well since we bounced yesterday evening, but also over the course of the night. All right, so we had quite a lot of mean reversion, which basically means that usually if the price of an asset or of a group of assets decreases a lot in a short period of time, at some point of time at a strong support level, you'll always have some sort of a big reversion, which is mechanical. And that's also what Pepe had. We had a relatively significant support level right here at 6,000, which you can also see on the daily time frame. Like that support level, it's pretty decent, right? It has supported us before relatively well. The thing is that if you look at the momentum, if you look at the open interest for Pepe, it's not necessarily high. All right, so it was very much fueled by shorts closing and some longs opening this morning, which makes it, for me, it makes it more of a mechanical bounce rather than the start of an uptrend, which is obviously what we would like to see. So that's what we've seen so far. And now, and this is the main thing I wanted to talk about. Now we are at this level right here between or around 8,500, I would say. All right, and you can already see this on the chart, and that's also why I think this is such a critical level. It's filled with confluences. All right, it's first of all a normal key level, as you can see on the chart. Then you also have the 382 fib of this move down, which is usually very strong, and the 200 EMA on the daily time frame. All right, so this, and if we go to the 4-hour time frame, this is the level to break. All right, if we actually want to see some more bullish momentum and some sort of consolidation up here instead of down here, because I do think this is the local bottom. All right, I don't think we're going lower than this unless we get some sort of a severe escalation either in the Middle East or with the recession fears. So right now it's kind of like, can we push up a bit higher and consolidate up here, or will we just reject here and consolidate down here? And for now, I like 8,500, that's the level. All right, if we break above that on the 4-hour time frame, you can also see it historically. Then all of a sudden, what we can do is something like this, and then it's fine. All right, and then we can just bounce around up here, and from there we'll see whether we can turn bullish or whether we will just, consolidate. So it's either this, or it is testing that level, rejecting from it, and dropping back down and kind of consolidating here. For me, those are the two scenarios. At least under the current circumstances, those are the two scenarios. All right, if the fundamentals change, then obviously the potential scenarios for Pepe change as well, because Bitcoin will be influenced. But at this moment, it seems like the recession fears are kind of going away. And it also seems that the situation in the Middle East is being priced in a bit. So then the final question to this answer is, which one is most likely? And at this moment, I have to say, I think it's most likely that we will not break out. All right, we might test it, we might fake out above that level, but given the current momentum that Pepe has, in combination with the technical strength of that level, and also what Bitcoin is doing, of course, I think it's more likely that we will reject from that level and consolidate, let's say, on top of like 6,500 and 7,000. All right, now if anything changes regarding this, I will let you know. All right, and we could certainly break out here still. I just don't think it's most likely. And those are my thoughts. All right, that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. Consider subscribing if you thought this analysis was valuable. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.